Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Easy English Classroom, and today we're going to learn something exciting in English, homophones. Have you ever heard about homophones? If not, by the end of this video you'll become an expert in homophones. So let's dive in. Before I explain homophones, please, if you're new to my channel Easy English Classroom, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow and you'll never miss out any of our lessons. Thank you so much for your support and let's keep on learning together. Homophones. Homophones are the words with similar sounds and different meaning. Knowing homophones could help to broaden our vocabulary and our grammar skills. Let's look at some of the homophones to understand it better. The first set is TWO2, TO2 and TOO2. TWO2 means the number 2. For example, I have 2 apples. TO2 shows direction like I'm going to the park. And TOO2 means also or a lot. For examples, I want ice cream too. Let's look at there, and there. So these are some of the trickiest homophones. THEIR there, THERE there, and THEY apostrophe RE there. THEIR there means something belongs to them. For example, that's their dog. THERE there is a place. For example, look over there. And THEY apostrophe RE there is the short form of they are. For example, they are going to the park. There are lists of other homophones that you can practice at home. For example, right. So we have for number 1, RIGHT right and WRITE right. Although it sounds the same, but it has different meaning. Number 2, night and night again. So KNIGHT night and NIGHT night. Although it sounds the same, but again it has different meaning as it's a homophone. If you want to practice more, I'm going to leave the PowerPoint presentation and the worksheets in the description box below. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any question or any queries. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.